In this video I will show you most easy and beginner-friendly way to create a sample C project in Visual Studio 2022. For this, first of all, we have to install C++ development tools. For this, go to search and type Visual Studio Installer and then select it from the list. You will get your Visual Studio here. Just click on Modify button next to it. Just wait for some time to load the installer. You will find inside Workloads. Here under Desktop and Mobile you will get Desktop Development with C++. Here click on Check button next to it. After that click on Modify button. If you have already done, then you can skip this step. Just wait some time. It might take around 5 to 10 minutes to install this compiler. This compiler enables you compiling and running both C and C++ programs. I am fast forwarding this installation steps. After download and installation is completed, you will get Launch option. Just click on it. This will open Visual Studio. Click on Create a new project. Here search for Console app at the top. There you will get list of console app. Their search for C++ icon is shown here. Just click on it. And then click on Next. Give any name to the project and then click on Create button. This will create sample C++ project. Under source files you will get one sample CPP file. Just delete it and will get create one sample C file. Now right-click on Sources Files and then create new items. I will give main as name followed by .c. Then click on Add button. This will create C file. Now let's copy and paste one sample C project displaying Hello World as shown here. Then right-click on Solution and then select Rebuild Solution as shown here. Just wait, it is building the application. After that click on Local Windows Debugger at the top to run C program. You can see we successfully got console with Hello World printed. In this way we successfully run C project in Visual Studio 2022. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also click on bell icon so that you will not miss any update.